What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris.
And Coco.
I know y'all missed that intro right there, huh? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be tackling on the XL spicy kimchi ramen, y'all. Y'all think we can finish this? Leave a comments in the comment section below. Hell no.
Hell to the no, to the no, 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 no.
Or hell yeah. You think we can finish this, bet?
Yeah, we haven't eaten yet.
Yeah. So in here, it has 4 packs of noodles, right? 4 packs of noodles, and I'm pretty sure we can eat 2 each. You know what I mean? Simple stuff.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, bro. We got this. Without further ado, let's get it. All right, we're just gonna unwrap this right quick. Use my fork. Swear to y'all, I'm Asian. I'm so Asian, I spell Asian A-Z-N. That's how Asian I am. Can you use your nails?
I don't have none.
Unwrapping, here we go. Man, it's hella big.
I think I seen one where it has 8, but I don't know.
8?
Yeah, but I don't know if it's that flavor or a different brand or what.
Real kimchi soup.
Oh, that's hella sodium.
Ooh, it's getting real. It's getting real like Holyfield out here, y'all. Look at all this. In with the powdered soup. We're just gonna put everything in there. Ooh, look at that. Looks spicy already. I can smell it. Ooh, just hit my nose. Flakes next. Because you don't want to eat this hella hard like a credit card. All right, next we're gonna put in the, what's that?
Real kimchi soup.
Real kimchi soup. They gotta make sure they add the real in there, just in case you think it's fake.
Oh, it's kimchi.
That is kimchi. Put that in there, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's just mushed up kimchi. That's just mushed up kimchi, y'all. All right, now in with the water for your daughter. Put it in, babe. Put it in. Put it in. Ooh, it's piping hot too. Be careful to not get burnt.
I don't want it too watery.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Cover
perfect. Now we gotta cover this thing. Marinate it. Put the top on. Like your Crocs on. Bam. Let it sit for like, what does it say? Like about a minute. And then we see y'all back in a minute. All right, y'all. While we wait for this to cook, we got some kimchi on kimchi. Kimchi on the side right there. For our protein, we have Cambodian twako. Cambodian sausage, y'all. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. You guys should try it. Go hit up your local Cambodian store and go get you some, all right? How much they sell it for? Like 12 for $12? 12 for 12?
Yeah, right.
12 for 15? 12 for 20?
I don't know.
It's like $1.50 a piece. But it's good though. Let's try it if y'all have never tried it before.
Should we check it?
Check it.
Open.
And for this, we just flipped it too, so don't be tripping, Michael Pippin. Ooh, it looks like it's ready to go, bros. Definitely ready to go. Definitely ready to go. We about to get our based on and our based on with the Capri song. You ready for this, bet?
I'm hungry.
You sure? You say that every time we do like a noodle challenge and you never finish it. I have to take one for the team.
Okay, I don't know then. Because we do the 5-pack and that's way too much. And this is 4.
Yeah. I think we got it. Let's taste. I'm gonna taste the soup.
So we didn't get spoon. Can I do like this?
Yep. We're gonna put in some sriracha, Mufasa. Bo. Let's get it, dope. Oh yeah, we got our son on the side. You know what I'm saying? Good parenting. We don't leave our children locked in the room while we do our mukbangs because we're
Maybe you
responsible.
shouldn't have put sriracha so Duty can have some.
Oh yeah, huh? Oops.
Bad parenting. Bruh.
My little side dish right here. Use it as a bowl or plate. Look at that. Ooh, steaming. Steaming, Willie Beeman.
Cheers.
Cheers. Kimchi.
I think we could finish it.
That's spicy. But not as spicy as the other ones that we be doing.
More?
Damn, that's good though. I wish it was the blue one though.
It was supposed to be the blue one, and they sent us this one.
Blue one would have been way better. We grew up on the blue one. If y'all know which one we're talking about, let me put it on the screen for y'all right now. That's the best one. Best one. You can drench that in hella sriracha and it tastes hella good.
I don't like it with sriracha.
No? What do you like it with then?
Should I put chili oil?
Chili oil. She like her booty hole to be burning. Oh look, they got some artificial meat in here. I don't know if it's artificial or it's real. But there's some meat in there. Mmm. Betty Gulch. Betty Gulch.
Not artificial. Dehydrated.
Dehydrated, whatever. If y'all think we're gonna finish this challenge, go ahead and click that like button. And if you don't think we're gonna finish this, comment hell to the now.
Hell to the no. To the no, 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 no. Hell no, no.
To the now. But I think we're gonna finish this one.
Just take big bites.
Or little bites. Whatever y'all prefer. In your mouth.
Good.
See that? Nice, sweet, a little spice in there. Sour, a little sour. Hella good. I don't taste no lemongrass like the other time. This one, perfect. I think we should just put the kimchi in here.
Eat that with rice. So good.
Bro, you thought I'd do a shout out?
Did you hear slurping noises? For duty back here.
Yep. My son eating some shit. Ladies, my son ready for y'all, ladies.
No, he's not.
Would you be mad if he come home one night? Well, not one night, one day with like 2-3 different girls?
I wouldn't let him in my house with 2-3 different girls.
Messed up though. What if he snuck the other 2 in? Every other hour he brings home a different girl. So you want him to be faithful as can be?
Yeah, that's how everybody should be.
I agree. I mean, I wouldn't be upset though. I pretend I'm upset in front of his mama. And then when his mama's gone, that's my son. Right? As a dad, as a father, that's what you gotta do. Show some love to your son. Like, hey man, good job. But yeah,
I want some soup.
shout out to Domino's Pizza. Y'all see that?
That's yummy.
Me? Yeah. But we don't condone cheating over here, y'all. Not no more.
Not no more.
I mean, not. Just kidding.
Idiot.
We don't condone cheating over here. We condone mukbang. Eating noodles, eating food, and record it.
I think I ate more than you.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Eat some more.
My bites were bigger.
Good. Daddy's on a diet. They say in Cambodia, if you keep going on a diet, you're gonna die. And that's how they say it. Thick diet, thick die. Cambodian people want you to eat. And you know what I just found out? Like if an older person, like auntie, uncles, whatever, if they offer you food, you accept it. If not, they're gonna think it's disrespectful. I just found that out.
By who? By who?
By like videos and stuff. Because I felt like I went to somebody's house before. I don't remember who it was. But I remember what happened. Somebody offered me food or something, and then they just started thinking I was looking down on them for not accepting the food. I was like, what the hell?
Really?
Yeah. So I was like, whoever it was, I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't know at the time. But from now on, I'll be sure to accept any food thrown in my face. So I apologize. Tomato. We almost done.
Mm-hmm.
We need some dessert though.
I want to try the other one.
The blue one?
Uh-huh.
I want to try the jajang one. Jajangmyeon. Jajangmyeon. How about we get both of them, try both of them at the same time?
That's too much. Because I'm already getting full.
Alright, we try the blue one first and then the jajangmyeon one.
Mm-hmm.
The jajangmyeon one's a fire though. I mean, it looks just like this though, but...
I want to taste the flavor.
Mm-hmm.
More?
Better go. Alright, y'all, we almost there. Why you split it like that?
Even.
If I want you to finish everything.
No. We're getting full already.
Bruh. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. I'm full too. I want some now laters though.
I want. What do I want?
Some big.
Num num.
My son over there going crazy. You hear him?
Finish.
Finish? Hell no.
It's done.
Look at that. You still got a lot on the side.
It's just all crumbs. I'm supposed to pick that up.
Everything must go.
It's done.
Everything 100% off. Everything must go.
Want more? More num num?
See, like that.
Delicious.
I would want to slurp these noodles, but this shit kind of spicy. Might hit me in the back of my throat.
It's not spicy.
It's right here.
It's not spicy. Spice level out of 10,
3.
0.5.
I give it 3. Even though I'm the king of spice out here, you know what I mean? I give it 3 though. Man,
You're the what?
3. I'm the spice king.
Yeah, right.
More like a spice queen.
You think black pepper is spicy?
That's true. Ah, that's true. I think everything's spicy though, honestly. Even Mexican candy is spicy to me for some reason.
More?
No, not. How many Scoville units is this?
We don't say on there.
Yeah, it does. See? Tingling Sao. 6 million Scovilles.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it doesn't say it all. Bullshit, man. Bullshit.
It's 0 Scoville.
Nah, it's like at least 1,000.
Maybe 50.
Yeah.
We finished.
Finish, y'all. Look, check it out. No cheating. Ooh, I don't want to spill the juice though. See that? All done, chow fan. Everybody there. All right, y'all. We done finished it for the first time. Yay! Give us a like for that. And if you're interested in watching us do the blue box, hit that subscribe. And we out. All right?